Alright, you can't really see that, but that's about 15 trash bags full. After a 13-hour day, I'm a little tired. I thought I'd make one run through with the camera for Julie. No popcorn. Repainted ceilings with primer. They need another coat. And painted that wall just to see what it looked like. No popcorn. No popcorn. Kitchen was kind of a pain. No popcorn. No lights. All clean. As we go master. Eventually this will look very different. No popcorn. I'm really happy this is done. Bedroom. Bathroom that needs updating. Oh, that was bright. Sorry. And the last room. All clean. Closet. I hate popcorn. Never doing it again. I'm out.